Hey y'all, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparky Mark here, and I'm back, y'all. To do a review and unboxing of a certain item that I just got. Now, if you see this, if you see the name of the title, you already know what it is. So no chit chat, y'all. Let's open this up and see what's inside, like now. Alrighty, folks. So in that box, I'm going to show this for you. Watches of Switzerland since 1924. Mare since 1910. Fine jewelry and timepieces. But nothing much in there. Just a brochure with the thing I purchased. So yeah, let's get on to the unboxings. Here you go. It's a Timex. Hodinkee. Timex Hodinkee collaboration. Amazing, right? Alrighty. Timex X Hodinkee collaboration. Open it up, slide it up, and here it is. Oh, wait a minute, a little foam around here. Here it is, the watch it sail. And with a label warning. Here's the watch in all its fine glory. Alrighty, so here it is. Gray bands, but the bezel and the body is all clear. Clear buttons, black buttons, white lettering, gray strap, very textured. Timex. So yeah, if anybody has been in my channel for quite some time, you know I've done a review of Timex. Some various pieces are very cool for collecting, or you can wear at any time. The awesome gray Chuck Norris wore Timex. So I wonder if they'll ever do a collaboration with him as a tribute. Yo, Timex, if you're listening to this, why don't you do a collaboration for Chuck Norris? Love to see that. Oh, wait a minute. What happened to the beep sound? Alrighty, so for adjusting time, date, months, years, hold, and you got that. This you can adjust for the seconds. You press stop and start. You can toggle the minute, hour, and seconds. Month, date, toggle to the year. Want to do 24-hour countdown, whatever. There we go, this is PM. Alright, here it is, the correct time. Even though this is yesterday, it's just due to the fact that I got this last week and I didn't get a chance. I was a bit busy and tired. So yeah. So Timex, quartz, Hodinkee, little lettering here, 100 meters. Just like the predecessors you've seen before. One from 1996, too bad I don't have an early version from 1994, but then you saw the one with the Black & Decker collaboration from 1997, from September, that particular year. And what else? Okay, I said 1996, 1987, and then 2016 as well. So yeah, and also if anybody would have noticed, Corey Haim wore one of these in his personal life, and he wore it in a 1996 low-budget movie, Demolition High. Okay, so here we have stopwatch. As this goes, it starts going as is going quicker. Here, you can stop and continue. Hold it, and it's back to where it is. Okay, that was chrono for stopwatch. My personal favorite, the timer. Okay. 9 seconds. Wow. Okay. Hmm. So yeah, a 9-hour, 59-minute, 9-second countdown timer. Wow, wow, wow! Look at that. You got double. Okay. That's all. I highly doubt that. And you got your alarms. Okay, you saw a little logo. That's for the alarm. That's for the vibrating or the flash alert. Yeah, the flash alert. So yeah. Oh, well, maybe you can't do that either. Oh, I'm gonna show you that later. All right, so here's for the other indicators for that when you're on the timer. Alarm, sorry. So yeah, I already covered the stopwatch, timer, alarms, back to where we were. And I don't think this doesn't have the same similarities as G-Shock does. Split screen, I don't want to take no chances. Yeah, let's not waste our precious moment with this. If it does, let me know in the comments. Does anyone still have their own Timex like this model from the 90s? Let me know in the comments. Or anybody has the anniversary editions, let me know as well. And also for the record, these are only existence of 2,000 pieces. So yeah, but they're not numbered. And here's the date codes. Well, the E2 746. So yeah, let's not get with that point. So here it is, the Hodinkee collaboration, Timex IronMan Triathlon 8-lap memory. Hodinkee collaboration. Amazing detail on the back as opposed to the predecessors that had come before it. So yeah, G-Shock Illumination didn't exist until 94. Timex had been in the game in the world of digital for some time, even as well as Casio. And you can see clear in the buttons. Clear as day. Very metallic, very, very in the clear zone. You can leave the watch flat on a table. Oh yeah, IronMan on the bands. So yeah. I don't have to do much damage to this. This is a very badass, sick timepiece, don't you think? So yeah, I have another collaboration with Hodinkee, which is the G-Shock, and I also have the John Mayer, which I'll be getting to that someday. So yeah, this is this year's piece, 2026. Wow. Let's give it a quick look on the wrist. The Sparky wrist. How many holes have I put it in? But it is feeling tight on the wrist because how many holes have I put into the top? So yeah, I put 7 holes. But if I want to leave a little loose, take away 1, I could put 6 holes in it. Oh, it does feel kind of a little loose. But it feels good. Depends on the temperature that you're in. If If you don't like it to put it in that position, here's a better way. Hold on. You could put it like here. Military style on the wrist upside down. Huh? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments section. Alright, in a few moments, we're going to be heading for the music of 2026. Oh, what time is it? Music time. Music time, like now. Alrighty, folks, so we're going to be playing a song from 2026 called Fade from the two artists Lealesso and Pendulum from their album Fade. So enjoy, folks. That was Fade by Alonzo and Pendulum. Pendulum. I don't know how you say the name. You heard me spell their names before. So yeah, great, cool, power aggressive house song of this year of 2026. So y'all, what do you guys think of the Timex brand, and also what do you guys think of Hodinkee? Have you heard of it? Check out their channel. They're awesome on YouTube, and they have a website. And also, it's Earth Day, so enjoy Earth Day as well. And also, before signing off, let's give a shout out to that thing of ours, TCF, to the physical media collectors, the watch collectors, toy collectors, autograph collectors, and all you collectors out there. And also convention goers and bloggers and travelers. And also to give a shout out to my subscribers. You know who you all are. Shout out to all kitty cats and dogs. And plus, I'm on the YouTube post, so you check that out daily and weekly for any posts I post on YouTube or the hour that the video is going to pop up. So keep an eye on that both daily and weekly. And when I say click the bell, that's also going to be notified for uploads. And always appreciate the thumbs ups. And as well as, well, my last video of today, well, no, I'm not going to be going off forever. Tomorrow is my birthday, April 23rd, folks. Lands on a Thursday. So yeah. And also, what do you guys think of the song? Let me know as well. You guys are a fan of progressive house or any techno musics or hip-hop, R&B alternatives and foreign songs as well? Let me know in the comments. And what do you guys think about the Timex brand? Like I said, let me know if anybody in your family has ever owned one of these watches or used to own past tense. So yeah. And keep an eye on my YouTube posts and my channel, both daily and weekly. You'll never know what's going to pop up, folks. You'll never know. So, y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off, y'all. Take care. God bless you. Enjoy Wednesday, y'all, and happy Earth Day. Later, y'all.